Hi, Upper Darby families. Welcome back. This week we are focusing on tapping and blending. Once your child knows their letters and sounds, that is when they are ready to start tapping and blending to read words. In school, we start with CVC words, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, and we use our tapping fingers to do so. Let me show you what this would look like. This is the word sad. We would tell the students to raise their tappers and to tap out the word sad like this. S-A-D, sad. Let's try another one. This is the word bit. We would tell the students tappers up. B-I-T, bit. You can practice tapping and blending CVC words at home. Let's take a look. Here are some words that you can practice with. Let me demonstrate. N-A-T, not. R-A-G, rag. W-E-B, web. T-A-X, tax. F-I-T, fit. L-U-G, lug. You can use these words and you can practice at home. Happy tapping!